Well, firstly, it's phenomenal to be here at Stormont, particularly in my first week as Chief of the Air Staff. Even more special because I'm the first Northern Irish Chief of the Air Staff. And then even more special beyond that because this is my first opportunity to speak publicly about the importance of the Battle of Britain. This year is the 85th anniversary, and uniquely, this is the first year where we have no Battle of Britain former fighter pilots remaining with us. Our last fighter pilot very sadly passed away earlier this year in March. That was Group Captain Paddy Hemingway, who was an Irishman. So that tangible link to the past is gone, and that makes it even more important for us to commemorate all of those that went before and made the ultimate sacrifice, particularly during the Battle of Britain, which was a seminal moment in the Second World War and effectively started the turn of the tide, and it paved the way for what ultimately became the Normandy landings and the winning of the Second World War.
Wonderful shots of Nazi convoys being attacked by Hurricanes are devastating proof of the growing might of the RAF in action.
It's been an exceptional event tonight in Stormont. I think having the opportunity to be here in Northern Ireland, there is such a link between the past and the present here. And then beyond just the Air Force, what Northern Ireland provides to UK defence, particularly through its industry, and particularly in support of some of today's threats that we see. So we're all aware of the horrific war that's going on, Russia's illegal and brutal invasion into Ukraine. And there are lots of industry here in Northern Ireland supporting our Ukrainian partners to hold off Russia. Companies who, right from the very start, have provided some battle-winning capability for our Ukrainian partners. And without that, they may not be in the position where they are today, and they could have seriously lost. So Northern Ireland should be proud of its support, particularly through its industrial support.